Just yesterday, I was so small. I've been learning new things as I grow. Some people say I'm getting so tall. Where did the little kid go? Inside and out, God is making me new. You may not see it happen until it is true. Little by little, I'm changing, I'm growing. Little by little, I hope that it's showing. I'm not who I'll be, I'm not who I was. I'm somewhere in the middle, but God is changing me little by little. Sometimes it seems that I'm so far away from all